Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shyami and finally I have come up with a styling video. As we all know कि सर्दियाँ आ चुकी हैं, तो सर्दियों में यूजुअली वी कैरी ना लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, बहुत सारे स्वेटर्स, ये भी कैरी कर लो, वो भी कैरी कर लो और उस वजह से हमारे सारे स्टाइल पर पानी फिर। बट दैट्स नॉट गोना हैपन एनीमोर बिकॉज आई एम हियर। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए जल्दी से और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलिए ताकि जब भी कोई नया वीडियो आए आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
For our very first style, I have paired this loose fitting multicolored jeans which has purple, pink and white shade combination with little loose fit V-neck pullover which has very beautiful multicolor detailing and its sleeves has perfect fitting on the wrist side. So this whole look is giving perfect look for outings, classes and college. And it's giving quite simple, cool and classy look. If you want to add some sparkle in the whole look, so you can pair it with jewelry as well. So here I am using tricolor tops and this golden chain. So you can use big golden hoop earrings also if you are not using this chain. For our second look, I have paired dark green off-shoulder woolen top with white color jeans. It will give you decent look, but since it's off-shoulder, you can add jewelry also, which will give you complete party look, which you can carry in any birthday party or lunch party. So I have added this yellow color Govinda style goggles also in the look. If you don't want to add any chain to cover neck, so you can add big golden hoops which will complete the look. For our third look, I have red color over the knee hoodie dress. For the bottom, I have used stockings since Mumbai is not a cold place. But if your place is cold enough, then you can use over the knee black color socks also. I am pairing this dress with red color boots, but you can also use long over the knee boots which will give you complete classy looks. You can carry this look in your college or for outings, but if you are going for a date, so you can add little sparkle in the whole look by adding black color belt which has golden detailing. So for date or party look, again I am using this big golden hoops. For our fourth look, I have paired this high neck pink colored sweater with white jeans, and the beauty of this sweater is that it has flared sleeves, which is giving a beautiful style look. So for the add-ons, I have used again this golden chain and tricolor tops, which will give you perfect outing look. And if you want simple look, you can remove accessories also. This sweater is really reminding me Amrita Rao's look in Ishq Vishk movie. So this look will really go with your lunch party, your dinner party look. So for the party look, you can add black belt also. For our fifth look, we can pair this sweater with joggers. So I have paired this with pink color joggers, which has orange color little detailing. You can use a white color jogger also. So you can carry this for outings, for your shopping look, for your travel look. As per my opinion, for shopping and for travel look, it will be a complete look. So for our sixth look is for cold winter season, where you just need a jacket or blazer to prevent ourselves from cold. So here I am pairing a black crop top with cheetah print flared trouser and adding here red color puff sleeve blazer to complete the look. Here instead of crop top, you can use black color high neck also, which will give you a classy look, which you can carry for your meetings, for your office looks. So for jewelry, I'm using here this dollar symbol earrings and red goggles, which has golden line, so which is completing my look for a outings, for a date, for a chilling out some night parties also.
Hey guys, hope you liked the video, because I was not stuck on a single point or a single pattern. I have tried to cover the loose fit outfits, the high neck sweater, the hoodie pattern and blazer pattern, different patterns I have tried to cover to give a use idea about styling in a winter season. So hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to share my video, okay? Hope you like the video और आपके लिए helpful रहा हो. So this was not the end. This was only the first. I will come up with another part also. So stay tuned. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए, ताकि जब भी नेक्स्ट विंटर सीजन का स्टाइलिंग आइडियाज का वीडियो आएगा और जितने भी स्टाइलिंग मेकअप रिव्यूज कुछ भी आएगा, कोई भी वीडियो में डालूंगा तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा ऑन टाइम तो देख सकते. सो थैंक यू ऑल. जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. ओके, थैंक यू.